Now to start editing one line diagram using etab. Now we must start etab. When etab starts, it gives us a dialog box that has a number of options. Either it needs to construct, we can choose to construct a new project, or open an ANSI or project, or an IEC project, or transmission and distribution project. We can now start by opening new project. We will click on the OK button. For the username, we'll enter a username, and then we will click the OK button. For the access level, we leave the access level to what is shown in front of us. It is known as a project editor. We'll click OK. etab now will load the etab database, and we can start by editing new one-line diagram. We'll select all these components. We must start here by clicking the edit on this icon if it is not clicked, to enter the edit mode, and we will use these two toolbars for the AC network component, or DC network component, or the protection component. So we will start by clicking on the utility icon, and we will put it here. We will not specify any parameters until we construct our one-line diagram. Then we can put direct bus, or we can put a cable. So we will put simple bus here, and we will extend it on the right and on the left like this, and we can put high voltage circuit breaker, and we will point one of its end. A handle point for this circuit breaker will be shown, and we will drag it until we reach the utility. Then from the other side of the circuit breaker, we will connect it to the bus. Second thing, we are going to put a power transformer like this, and we'll isolate it from the bus by another circuit, high voltage circuit breaker like this, another high voltage circuit breaker on the secondary side. We'll put it, and for the transfer bus, this is the main bus, and this is the secondary bus, or the transfer bus, or the load bus, or the swing bus. It has many names, or the slack bus. And we will put another high voltage circuit breaker or low voltage circuit breaker as per our design. We'll connect it to the bus, and then we will take induction machine, or lumped load, or static load, or motor operated valve, or synchronous load. We can put any of these as our load to be analyzed. So this is the first thing, is to construct the one-line diagram on etab 11. On the next lecture, we'll start by editing the properties of each component on the one-line diagram.